Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a traditional Chinese food called Tanghulu. It'll be my first time making it, so I don't know how it turned out. Tanghulu is candied fruit, and this food is popular in several cities in China: Beijing, Tianjin, and Shanghai. My hometown, Nanjing, this is a street food, so most people just usually buy Tanghulu. This fruit is what I like the most when I buy Tanghulu, but I can't find this fruit in this country, so I will use the regular fruit to make Tanghulu. Let's start! Making you fruit.
You're still doing this stuff?
I will make several, so we will eat fruit for the rest of the day.
This has been going on for all morning, babe. You told me you only needed an hour when you kicked me out 2 hours ago. I visited Mom.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
And I checked the mail, and I went to the store, and I wandered around.
Really?
Yes.
Did I take that long?
I've been gone a long time.
I forgot the strawberry. Wow. Have you heard that? You never heard that?
A hee-haw?
The haw.
Hee-haw?
H-A-W.
Hee-haw.
After I put the sugar on the fruit will last longer, so we don't worry about if it's dry. Rock sugar.
So essentially you've taken fruit, which is somewhat healthy, although heavily sugar laden, and you're making it less healthy by pouring sugar on top. Okay, so you want me to read the Chinese packaging here?
It has English.
Okay, so it's got sucrose. Sucrose, that's sugar, and water. And so it's got food additives, sodium hydrosulfite. And if we read the ingredients in French, it says cane sucre.
What is
Sucre
that?
de cane.
What is that?
That's cane sugar. Sulfite de sodium, so sodium sulfide. So, baby,
Yes.
it's sugar. But luckily it's got 0% vitamin A and 0% calcium, 0% vitamin C, and 0% iron. So we don't have to worry about any of those.
We have vitamin C right here. Right here.
Okay, it's turning brown, which...
It's supposed to turning brown a little bit.
So usually when stuff turns brown, it means it's caramelized or it's like...
It's not brown, it's yellow. It's turned a bit yellow. I think almost done. Just
And you're sure the temperature on the sugar doesn't make any difference? Because I was under the impression that sugar is one of those things that you have to heat to the exact right temperature, and if you overcook it, it goes bad.
Oh, it's turned yellow. The sugar turned yellow. Okay, it's like oil. It looks like oil. Okay. I already turned it off. Oh, it's hot. The right way, it has a pan really big pan, but we don't have a super big pan, so we do this way. And we don't want too much sugar. Turn around. Wow, the sugar is very hot. Sugar is very hot. Wow, the sugar is already
drying. Yes.
Drying. Super fast. Oh. It's a bad idea.
You know what? We should have put butter or something on it. It would have stuck to the plate as well. Okay, sweetie, watch out. Okay, watch out. Okay, watch out.
It actually tastes good. The sugar tastes good. Wow, this one stick together. I'll just put the rest of them.
Maybe it's gonna stick to the plate. We got them off the plate. I think that's probably good enough.
I will do it careful this time. We don't need to put a lot of sugar on the fruit because the fruit is already super sweet. I'll just put a little bit. The sugar dries really fast. It tastes not bad. It just doesn't look as good as the ones from the street. That's good enough. Good enough. The sugar tastes good. I failed making it because I didn't cover the fruit with the candy. So the fruit is supposed to be fully covered with the candy. I still can eat it. So because it has less sugar, so it will taste not as good as the one you buy. You know, the sugar was really hot. I don't have the right equipment to stick the whole fruit in the pan. Did you see that? The candy dries very quickly. So I think the better way you make it is to make it one by one and the stick shorter. So it'll be easier to dip the whole fruit into candy. Because when you pull it out, it dries like right away. So I failed. Oh. So I think you can use the toothpaste to make one fruit one by one to dip the one piece fruit in the sugar and pull it out. So this is like fruit candy. You just make it one by one and you might be successful. And also I suggest that if you can't find this fruit, the whole, it's better to try out this fruit with the candy because it'll taste super good. This fruit is sour. So that's all for today. Yeah, I failed. Thank you so much for watching. Try it out if you're interested. And I think I will make more in the future. I will using small stick, shorter sticks. The stick about this long. It's so hard to dip the sugar. Bye bye. I will see you in next video soon. We're not wasting it. Wow, I don't know why when I put in the fridge, all the sugar melted. I don't know why the sugar rock melted. And the fruit is very sweet because it's covered with sugar. Look, the sugar is melted. It still tastes fine. It's still like fruit and it's more sweet. We will save it. We can eat it like sweet snacks. It's very sugary. Or we can put it in the blender, make it smooth.